I just turned 13 years old. Well, I've liked Star Wars since about 2 or 3 years ago when my dad introduced me to it. I've seen all the films and I have Star Wars Lego sets. I found out about Magic Wheelchair about 2 or 3 months ago, and so we signed up.
Magic Wheelchair! Stop by our booth!
Magic Wheelchair is a great organization. They help build wheelchair costume for kids on wheelchairs.
This is all 3D printed. This entire costume is 3D printed. I'm James Powell from Monster City Studios. Magic Wheelchair is fantastic. I want to thank Pixologic, the makers of ZBrush, who designed this amazing costume. I want to thank Massivit 3D and Dangling Carrot Creative. 3, 2, 1!
That big. The costume was way more than I expected. But I wasn't expecting it to be that big and that detailed. Well, the parts that I liked were the control panel inside, because it had cameras and everything. And I also liked the wings. It was really mind-blowing. I felt really excited in the parade because all the people were waving at me and taking pictures. It made me feel like a celebrity.